I'm going to quickly show an intent analysis. And the objective of the study is to help automate the help desk software to pre-identify specific incoming issues from customers. So let's go ahead and create our project. I'll press my New button on screen. In this case, our client happens to be Stargard NLP. And the project name I'll define as the Mattressland Intent Study. The client won't set a priority for the project, but we will add a description. Intent analysis for use in adding automation to the help desk workflow. I do have some instructions as well that I'll paste into my instructions box for use by the annotators in the workflow. Okay, that's the first step in creating my project. I'll press my Save button up above to save my new project into my project list. Now let's click over to the prompts area to create the prompt associated with the project. I'll press my New button and create the prompt that the annotator will see in the workflow. And in this case, the prompt will read which of the below choices best describes the caller's intent. Now that I've added my prompt, let's add the tags or response options that the annotator will see in the workflow. Now I created mine ahead of time. They're in my tags library, and I'm able to quickly search to pull them up. The 6 response options that the client asked for are mechanical issue, place order, product defect, replace the mattress, a warranty issue, and then lastly, for anything else, unable to classify. Now that my tags have been added, the only thing I've got left to do is decide how I want them to present to the annotator in the workflow. And I've got a variety of different options to choose from in terms of how they'll present, but in this case, the single radio makes the most sense because it's a single response option that I'm providing to the annotator in this case. The preview pane shows me how that'll present in the workflow. I'll come up and press my Save button, and then just return to my project list to associate that prompt with my new project. Here's my project. Here's my prompt. Save, and that's done. Okay, now let's log into an annotator to see what it looks like and to process a few objects. Okay, I'm going to log in now as one of the annotators assigned to this project, and let's see what it looks like and how it goes. So over to the left, my instructions appear for me as an annotator, either in the collapsed form or the expanded form. My job information in the bottom left-hand corner. Here's my prompt that I created, the response options or tags that we added, and here are my data objects, or my first data object appearing right in the center. So let's read it and process a few objects very quickly. Okay, an explicit mention of a warranty claim. The bed is sagging. My instructions defined that as a product defect. In this case, it looks like a delivery timing issue, which was not one of the classification options, so I'll click Enable. That's a quick look at an intent analysis project.